Good morning, everyone. Today class will continue the module 4 trees and session 4. So that is additional binary tree operation. First one is the copying binary tree operation. See here is the we can modify the post order traversal algorithm only slightly to copy the binary tree. See we can see here if condition we can go for that post order traversal algorithm. You can see here the slightly copy that one. So now second one is the additional binary tree operation under this testing equality. We have to test whether the previous one is the working or not properly. So that's why we want to go for the test the data in a first step and second step like that. So in this we have to go for the left child and right child visiting node, left child visiting or right child visiting like that. So here is the binary tree are equivalent if they have the same topology and the information in a corresponding nodes is identical. The same topology and data as a program 5.6 is showing the how it is the testing equality performance. Now coming to the additional binary tree operation in the various variables. So here is the variable x1, x2 up to xn can hold only of two possible values, true or false. So it's depends on the true or false condition. So the operators what we can use here, and operator, or operator, not operator. Here we can show this and operator, you can down arrow and or operator up arrow. It's not operator, it is not equivalent, like that we can show. Then here is the propositions calculation expressions. A variable is an expression. If x and y are the expression, then x not equals to x and y, and x or y are the expressions. Parenthesis can be used to alter the normal order of evolution. That is a not and not greater than, uh, not less than, and less than or. So example, x1 or all x2 and not x3. This is the just example. So coming to the some more satisfiability problem, is there any assignment to make an expression true? We want to go for the expression is the true or false condition. So the solution for that example, x or x2 and not x3. If x and x3 are the false and x2 is the true, false and false or true and not false. So that is equals to false or true. That is equals to true condition. For n value of an expression, there are a 2 power of n possible combinations of true and false values. So here is the total, the expression is depends on the 2 power of n possible combination of true and false conditions. Coming to the additional binary tree operation, we have to go for the example. Here is the x1 and not x2, or not x1 and x3, or not x3. So how we can representation here is the first order traversal. So we have a data here is the showing here, this is the data, and this data have a values, that values are x1 x2, that is containing. So here is the operation how see here is the red color is operation, one operation is there, and Here is the red color operation, it shows the x1 and not x2 operation, right? And at the same time, green color is showing the, blue color is showing the x1 and x3. So this two red and blue color, it is the combination of R. So at the same time, x3 also different value is there. So the totally representation of the thing is representation of total equation is like this, the tree diagram representation. Coming to the node structure, how it is a node structure performance of the additional operation. For the purpose of our evaluation algorithm, we assume each node has a 4 fields. So first we know, we saw previous one also, left child when the data and value and right child value. So we define this node structure in the C as C here. We are define the pointer, left child, and logical operator is the data value, or shared integer value, integer is the value, and tree pointer and right child value it's shown here. Coming to the additional binary tree operation under the statisticability functions, what are the functions we have? So the evaluate the tree is easily obtained by modifying the original recursive post order traversal. So here is the beside shows the how it's work, the node performance in a, different additional operations in a tree structure. So the post order evaluation function is here is showing the post order evaluation node left child and post order evaluation node right child function, and switch that function is node data at the visiting node function. So this is the about of additional operations in a tree. Thank you.